Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. So today is June the 26th and the chart of the day for today's GDX 60 minutes time frame here. Alright, so we can see that the ETF, this is gold miners by the way, the ETF bouncing higher a little bit, not really a lot, but it starts to bounce higher, and you can see in the structure of the pullback from the peak is a corrective structure, right? It's a 7 swing WXY, 3 swings down, 3 swings down, no extension of any kind, and I mean the 161.8% extension, which is typically indicative of a wave 3. So we don't have that type of extension, and we bounce, even though it's still kind of not a lot, but we did bounce from the 100% extension area, right? So there's no 1.61 extension from anywhere. So I think based on this structure here, we can sort of conclude that this remains to be a bullish market. Okay, because if it is bearish, as you know, it's always going to be 1 to 1.618, 4 and a 5. But this one follows a rather predictable 3 swings down, 3 swings down, 100% bounce, 100% bounce. So it is looking corrective, and therefore it is a bullish market. Okay, so now we need to see whether or not, so we finished with 4 here, and this is 1 of 5, this is 2 of 5. We need to see whether we can start to see more upside and break above this peak, which will confirm that this low is really completed, or if it fails to take this high and then let's say do a double like this, then we will continue to find another buyers at the next set of 100% extension, because we think that again the structure of this pullback is corrective. So therefore, even if it fails to take out the high and continues to go down, then the pullback will continue to find support at the next extension. Okay, next 100% extension. So for now, we are calling the more aggressive view, calling with to complete it here, and now we're waiting to see the confirmation by breaking above 1. But for now, this is the more aggressive view, looking for continuation higher in the GDX after reaching the support zone in 3 swing WXY. Okay, so that's the update here, guys. As always, we're going to continue to update this in our service. If you want to see more regular updates, you can check out our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video, and this is our website. Again, the link is in the video description, so you can take the trial here. If you are new members, only 99 cents. And then if you want to check what sort of subscription plans we have, you can check it here in this link, plans and pricing. And for classes, if you are completely new and want to learn more about Elliott Wave, you can check this out with many different seminars and also courses to help you to learn more about Elliott Wave. Alright, so that's the update for today, and I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.